Hey, big up Grand Take a Look TV. Big up Zin to the time, yeah.
Yeah, you see what I go on? Watch what I go on now. The youth, them tell me say them need some ghetto food. So they want some Jamaican real ghetto splash. So me I say, tin mackerel. No, me could have deal with that give them you know. Because I give them mackerel all the while and thing. But here what I go on now. I go give them back the real ghetto national dish that me know about. You see what me I talk about. So watch what I go on now. When you see what I go on, you see it? Me have some string bean there so. Yeah, my tomato, my onion, my Irish, my cornmeal, my flour. So I go on. Everybody know this. All Jamaican know this. These are the real chicken back. Yeah. Me have my chicken season, my black pepper, my seasoned salt, my all purpose. So me I say, some seasoned salt, how my seasoned salt there? Seasoned salt like kind of there somewhere and some place around the thing and thing. So, me I go give them some brown stew chicken back and cornmeal dumpling. So I say, I have a little piece of high type on the side that I deal with differently. So now I go see what I go on now. I go give them the ghetto splash. So I look on the ghetto splash now. So alright, watch. Good to go. Yeah, I go start do what we are do. Flour no need up yet. Pot the pan fire yeah. Yeah. Pot I go and bubble. So I go on. Alright. That I go need up the flour and thing. So watch what I go on now. I go make up some flour. When I don't know me alone I do the video. So I go pause the video when I don't need the flour. Show how the flour look. Alright, then I come back tune up on the thing and thing. So this is what I say? Alright. Remember. Yeah man, see that? Flour don't need you now. Flour don't need anything. So alright, as I say. I'm alone I run the pot. Now nobody feel help me. So hold the camera and thing. I'm going to show you when the flour in the pot. So alright, watch it now. Look, I'm going to show you when the flour in the pot. Yeah man, sweet there. Flour in a pot, Irish in a pot. Yeah. Good to go. So watch what I go on now. You could all stick a whack. I'm going to deal with it because some people feel like them afraid to deal with chicken back. I'm going to show them my youth, them not afraid for them, if you know. In England, me there, no brother. England, me there, my youth, them not afraid for them chicken back. You see what I say? I'm going to name it up. So you want to go on now, you saw them fat and pretty too. Alright, well fluffy and well fat and nice, you see it? Yeah? So I'm going to get them clean up. And then I come back to you when I dash on some season pan it and thing. I'm going to see what I go on. So just watch what I go on. Pot a bubble, you know? Pot a bubble, pot a bubble, pot a bubble. You know, and pot a bubble. So I go on to pump. See it? Bubbling. Alright. It's bubbling, it's bubbling, it's bubbling. So watch what I go on now. You see the little one here? We're showing you some old time style. Real Jamaican know them old style. Yeah. Grandma thing. That's what me usually see them do. So watch what I go on now. Empty little pot on the fire, it's hot. So just watch what me I deal with you now. Just watch what me I deal with. You see what I go on? So I go on. Alright, you know this hour? Good old brown sugar. So watch what me I do now. I'm going to make some browning. You see it? Yeah. Pour a little sugar in it. Alright. Look. See it? That pump smoke. That pump smoke. Zoom in. See it? That pump smoke. Yeah, it's burning. Yeah. That's how you do it. Yeah. Cup on the fire, where you jump off of it. Yeah. That's how you do it. Take it up, don't make it burn up. Yeah. Don't make it burn up. If it burn up, you're not going to get nothing out of it. You see what I go on? Yeah. So watch the thing now. Ghetto style, you know? Yeah, that's rich. That's rich. Yeah man, that's rich. Real ghetto style. On the look, when you see it? Quality of it. Yeah, it's boiling up. That's how you make browning. Even the browning when you're buying at the bottle. That's how it make. Yeah, that's how it make. Yeah. It go along like that because we don't want it burn. Alright. That's browning. Yeah, that's browning. Yeah? Join me? That's a tip of water. That's a tip of water. Yeah, look on it now. Look on it. See? That's browning. Yeah? Alright, you see what I go on? You see how walk here? Yeah? Chicken back is very pretty. Clean up. Clean up, you know, as I say, I'm a one in phone. The handle it give me a little bit of problem because I have to do this and not do that. But here I go on now. See them because that's some season on it. I can see there. Yeah. Season it up now. Yeah. Put on my all purpose. Yeah. That's my all purpose. Some chicken seasoning and such as well. Yeah man, fling on some chicken seasoning on it. I know which style. I get up thing I say me a deal with that eat what them say they want. So you are going now. I get the chicken back here from my sister. Yeah. My sister let me get them chicken back here because Corona are going you know, so you know. Everybody help out everybody in a Corona, you see? It's alright? Yeah. That is it. Alright, watch where I go now, see? And then I go just. Alright. Show me browning pan it. You see? Yeah. Put my browning pot there so. You get that fast. Alright. Give me a second to make a mix up and come back to. Yeah man, see it? Don't season up now. See it? Season up. Well nice, my carrot. And my thing. You don't know his style. You don't know his style. Yeah, see it there? You don't know the style. So you're ready for dropping a hot oil now and start fry down. Alright, so watch what I go on now. Watch what I go on now. I'm going to put on the pot on the fire now for the hot oil. You see it? Yeah. That are the pot on the fire for the hot oil. Yeah. See what I go on? Alright. So. I'm going to see what I go on back in a dumpling pot. Yeah? Dumpling pot a double. Alright. Dumpling pot a double. Let's see what I go on to bubble. So watch what I go on now. Yeah man. Yeah man, that's how the thing says. Boy, and look and see it, it's bubbling. I first block this on the food thing I show you know, but so if you don't want more, you just comment and tell me what I go on, you know. I can go on all different type, you know. Anything at all you want, you know. Remember, you know, I'm a chef from Mikey restaurant. One and only. Right, go on, so take a look. Let me go now look. Take a look. That's the thing said. Alright, so what try go on now? What try go on? Woyo! Oil in a pot now. Have me oil in a pot now, one thing, you see it? Yeah man, ready. Ready if you go put in some meat and something. So what try go on now? Time come for me start putting some of them things here in my pot here. I don't know the thing. Yeah. So the thing set so. I could just put in some now. Okay. Fry now. See what I go on. Fry now. Take a look at the flour pot. Yeah. Flour pot almost ready now. See. The thing cooking like that now, so that's the knock off. Knock off. You show me that go. Alright, that lock off. Because I'm not back. This I go and fry up on one. Up and running. Yeah. See? Take color up the brown and put it in now. Put chicken back. The boy them young yet. Ghetto life nice for them, you know? Real ghetto life. You don't know the thing. Oh, so it things up now. So the thing set. They are about my split. They are about my split, you know. I don't know, that's all. And I go and pick it up, so. So the thing set. Yeah, man, that's how we deal with it. Yeah, I'm then showing all the sardines, you see it? It's up on the side, you see it? Without Canadian brand. You don't know it. Yeah, man. Real old Jamaican stuff, the one. Yeah, and that one I'm deal with. So, the one is my one. I eat me a gun up. So watch what I got. And you know the thing? Alright. One. Yeah? Yeah, man, I cook ding. And you eat up ding. Yeah, man, nice ding. Oh, yeah. You see the thing? Way up. Yeah, man. I cook up some food for you. You eat up some of my good old ghetto food, you know? Alright. Yeah, man, that's how the thing set, brother. That's how the thing set. See there? It's frying. See there? Yeah? It's going. Look what I'm going. Frying up. Lovely. You know, Pacha? Yeah, well, golden and nice. See? Good old string bean it up in right there. And then the thing there. So I go on. Yes, and I go simmer it down and I style now with the youth them. Them belly full and nice and that's some good cornmeal blower. But we say, Ghetto life, that's rich. Yeah, Ghetto life, that's rich. See the program I'm going. Well, I'm going to get it lined up now. To jack in some water in it and taste it. And I have a cold up of water in it first. Make it simmer down and put some steam on them there. Then you throw the vegetable, you season them on it proper. That's all we do. Ghetto life. That's brown school. I remember you put the string bean in it. So don't know. They want the string bean in and cook. They know eat vegetable like me. You see me? Me like my one with electric, half cook. So my one them throw it. Them you like when them vegetables soft and things, so you have to deal with it that the way they feel them. You see me? So watch what I go on now. Drop the cover upon it, make it go on. Simmer down little. And we come back to this. We dash this in it, make it nice. You understand? That is Ghetto life. When I go see it. Show them when them a dabble down in it. Yeah man, that's rich. See that? Up in style. See your gravy nice and pretty, well colourful. Alright, and then I reach now here tonight and simmer down, man. It'll go. Yeah, you peas them, catch them colour and everything. Alright. So when we fling on it, season upon it, we'll show you what I go on. So I can drop back the cover upon it, make it go on. Simmer down a little bit more. You don't know the style. Yeah, that's rich. Real Dutchy pot. If you me I talk about. Yeah man, Jamaica thing. Yeah man, looking at it now, see there? Season dashing it and it a simmer down, right down now. So watch what I want? Dep on the last and it a simmer down. Simmer down, chicken back a simmer down. Simmer down, Ghetto style right you know. Simmer down, yeah man, I real thing man, them don't know them things. Warm to them. Enough boy and girl can cook them things, you know. They show them how to cook all them things, you know. They said, quality. Yeah. That's how we deal with it. You see me I talk about? Same so. So no say a word. Catch me back when I take off the pot cover and fight again. It's ready! Alright. Don't look lovely. Yeah. I told you. When me take off the pot cover, that's it. Yeah man, so I eat that. Simmer down. Right down. No, I'm zooming in on the phone now. I zoom in on it here. So I go on. Yeah man, take a look in on the big pot. What do you think, Yeah. That's how we deal with Ghetto food. That's chicken back. Yeah, lovely. Brown stew. The youth them knock it up, you know. Mother Road. Remember, alright Grant, you know. Take a look. One more move. Yeah man, see it there. Down here now, me I go share out them food with them. Them eat up with them, I eat up. And then good to go. Look, come on, them chicken back, you know. Come here. Yeah, dinner. Sweet here. Mind the friend, brother. You want dinner too? You want dinner too? You want dinner too? No, you're not dinner. No, you're not dinner. You cannot get none. You get the most sober, yo. I will get some dinner. Yes, I get some dinner.